In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively construct a research paper, starting from brainstorming a topic all the way to polishing the final draft. This journey begins with generating unique, researchable ideas related to climate change and environmental science. When embarking on the brainstorming phase, it's important to think like a research expert. To kickstart this stage, try suggesting 5 diverse and compelling topics. For instance, consider diving into the links between climate change and rising sea levels, or explore how shifting weather patterns are impacting agriculture and food security. Don't overlook the significance of researching the role of renewable energy in combating climate change or investigating the impact of climate change on biodiversity loss, particularly in fragile ecosystems. Lastly, delve into the socioeconomic implications for communities situated in climate-vulnerable regions. Each of these topics should offer a unique lens and plenty of opportunities for scholarly exploration. Once you've settled on a topic, the next crucial step is to refine it into a focused research question. Suppose you picked impact of climate change on coral reefs as your subject. One could form clear and concentrated questions such as, how does increased ocean temperature affect coral bleaching events? Or perhaps query what measures can ameliorate climate change impacts on coral ecosystems. Additionally, you might evaluate the role of government policies in safeguarding coral reefs in the face of climate change. These questions are appropriate for a college-level thesis, providing a solid foundation for further research. Moving on, organizing your ideas into a coherent framework is essential. Let's take, for example, the topic of climate change and coral reef degradation. Begin by crafting a detailed essay outline for a 2,000-word academic piece. Your introduction should set the stage by providing context and highlighting the research gap before seamlessly transitioning into a clear thesis statement. The body of the essay can be divided into sections, each addressing specific aspects such as the causes and effects of coral reef degradation, preventative measures, and potential solutions. Conclude by summarizing the main points and restating the thesis, emphasizing the importance of continued research in this area. Drafting a compelling introduction is the step where you'll hook your readers. For an essay on climate change and coral reef degradation, your introduction needs to incorporate important background information, highlight the urgency of the research gap, and clearly present a thesis statement summarizing the argument. Such an introduction not only captures the reader's attention, but also establishes the significance of your study. Finally, polishing your essay to reflect clarity and professionalism is the finishing touch. For instance, to improve the academic tone of a sentence like, "Climate change is messing up coral reefs badly, the ocean's getting warmer, and reefs are dying fast," refine it to a formal tone. The adverse effects of climate change on coral reefs are profound, as elevated ocean temperatures significantly increase coral mortality rates. Through this process, your research paper will not only be thorough but also articulate, ready for academic scrutiny.